Welcome back to Auto Reviews, the channel where we dig into the most exciting machines in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something that sounds almost unreal, the 2026 Ferrari F80 sedan. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari making a sedan is wild on its own, but the F80 concept pushes that idea into a completely different universe. So sit back, turn up your speakers, and let's explore what this four-door Ferrari could be if it hit the streets. Imagine the video opening with a sleek red silhouette rolling out of the shadows. The F80 sedan isn't just a stretched version of a Ferrari coupe. It's something else entirely. The design would likely blend the aggressive front end of the SF90 with the futuristic air channels and splitters inspired by Ferrari's hypercar concepts. Long, low, and impossibly sculpted, the F80 sedan would carry that unmistakable Ferrari attitude but with proportions we've never seen from Maranello. A longer wheelbase, wider stance, and four doors that disappear seamlessly into the bodywork would make this car look more like a spaceship than a luxury sedan. Now, let's get to the part everyone is waiting for, the engine. If Ferrari were to build an F80 sedan, it wouldn't settle for anything tame. The heart of this machine could be an upgraded version of Ferrari's twin-turbo V8, paired with a cutting-edge hybrid system inspired by the technology inside the SF90 Stradale. We're talking about a powertrain capable of producing somewhere in the neighborhood of 950 to 1000 horsepower. Yes, in a sedan. Electric motors placed on the front axle could allow all-wheel drive capability, while still keeping Ferrari's signature rear-biased feel. The result: lightning-fast launches, brutal acceleration, and handling that would embarrass most supercars. Picture this: 0 to 60 in around 2.1 to 2.3 seconds. A top speed pushing past 215 miles per hour. A four-door family Ferrari that basically tries to tear a hole in the time-space continuum. And because Ferrari has been refining its hybrid systems for years now, the electric motors wouldn't just add power, they'd shape the driving experience. Instant torque off the line, silent all-electric mode for city cruising, and regenerative braking to keep the batteries topped up during spirited driving. Inside, the F80 sedan would take everything Ferrari knows about performance interiors and stretch it into a more luxurious and functional layout. Drivers could expect a cockpit with digital displays that wrap around like a fighter jet, carbon fiber trim, lightweight racing-inspired seats, and high-end materials that remind you you're still in an Italian masterpiece. In the back, the F80 sedan would probably still feel more like a sports car than a limousine, but with enough room for adults to ride comfortably. Think of it as Ferrari practicality, which is still miles away from normal practicality, but amazing by Ferrari standards. Now let's talk price, because a car like this would definitely shake the automotive world. A sedan with 1000 horsepower, hybrid technology, and Ferrari engineering. You're not looking at anything under seven figures. Estimates could easily place the starting price between $600,000 and $800,000, but with customizations and Ferrari's exclusive options, real-world pricing could push well past $1 million. And that's assuming Ferrari would even allow regular customers to buy it. This would likely be an ultra-limited production model reserved for VIP collectors, longtime Ferrari clients, and people with garages large enough to look like small museums. But the price isn't really the point. The idea of the F80 sedan is about Ferrari proving that even in a world of electric SUVs, autonomous driving, and efficiency mandates, they can still create something outrageous, emotional, and iconic. A four-door hypercar that refuses to compromise. A sedan built with the same obsessive attention to detail as the LaFerrari or the Daytona SP3. Something that doesn't just transport people, but transforms your heartbeat every time you hit the throttle. Now, would Ferrari ever actually build this? Probably not. Ferrari is famously protective of its brand identity, and a sedan doesn't fit naturally into its traditional lineup. But imagining an F80 sedan lets us explore what Ferrari could accomplish if they decided to expand their boundaries. And based on Ferrari's history, if they ever did build it, it wouldn't just be good. It would probably redefine the entire segment. Thanks for watching Auto Reviews. If you enjoyed imagining this wild creation, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what car you want to see next. See you in the next video.